Hey everyone, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is value ladder. Not the ladder that everybody thinks about. It's not that. It's a value ladder and how you can use it in your business so you can become more profitable. Stick around till the end of the video. You're going to learn all about value ladder. Let's go. Welcome back. So the concept behind value ladder is when you're acquiring a client and it comes to your business world, it doesn't matter through the paid traffic, through the networking, whatever reason is, once they enter your business world, how to provide them more value. Once you keep on providing them more value, you can charge them more. It's the same customer that you spend whatever amount of money, if it's in the paid ad, dollar wise, or you can use that for your time spent to get that lead. How to become profitable is you keep on providing more value to those leads, hence they will buy product which are more expensive. The more value you provide, the more price you can charge them. Now, still confused? Why don't I show you, give you a visualized concept of the value ladder, and then after that I'll explain you a little bit more in details how you can build a value ladder for your business. There is an example of value ladder that you can visualize when I'm talking. Sometimes when you hear people talking, but they're talking about some concept, it's better to get the visualize. So this one represents the value. So more value you provide, you go up, and you can charge them more. So the first time the person comes into your business world, it could be a lead magnet, some of those things, or something which provides them value. So in return, they're giving you their contact information, be it email, or physical address if it's a brick and mortar. So on that, you increase the value. As you increase the value, you're gonna charge more. So the front end offer could be for $7, or could be for anywhere, whatever is a low end offer that you can provide. And then you again increase the value, and then you can provide a middle end offer to the same person. So you're not spending a lot money over again to acquire it. You already acquired it right here when they gave you their contact information. So whatever you did right here to acquiring that, now you're just providing value to the same person, hence you are becoming more profitable. And the back end could be a monthly program, could be a yearly program, or could be something that generates you more profit equal to the value that you provide. So as you go along the ladder, you're providing more value and you're charging them more. So that's what the concept behind the value ladder is. So now why don't we look at a couple of examples of a couple of businesses that will use this value ladder, and that will give you an idea of how you can build value ladder for your business and how important it is, so that your business is more profitable and you can pretty much outspend your competition. So here's an example of value ladder as you go along. So the first one could be a lead magnet, which is free. For example, your goal is to acquire the contact information, capture the lead. So what you can do is there are a lot of examples of lead magnet. For example, it could be a checklist, guide, video, free sample, or a trial. Some of the software companies out there give you a trial, just to check it out how their software is and if you like it or not. 14-day free trial. Clickfunnel gives to you, and then you can get 30-day trials with the email marketing companies such as Activate, Aweber, etc. And then the first offer for the same people, your initial offer could be, which is less than $7. For example, it could be a book, a course, or some kind of PDF ebook or something like that, which is less than $10. And the next one is, as long as you start building the trust to these these leads that you acquired it, you can start providing them more value, and results start adding more profit to your business. So the first tier is less than $100. Could be could be a course, product. Then you go to a second tier, which is less than 1,000. Could be a membership site, ongoing monthly membership site. And then the top tier is done for you services or mastermind. Now, I have structured up a value ladder for my business. The first one is those of you who've watched a couple of other videos where I'm using value ladder for my lead generation business. Now, the first offer is initial offer, which is $7, which is a PDF to how to capture leads using social media. And now the next one after that tier is for the people who are not pretty active into social media. Then they can get I can give them an offer of how to have an increased following, putting these viral posts that have, which is $44. And the next one is a video course, which tells them exactly how a masterclass course, a membership site tells them exactly how to build this for their own business, social media profile, and which is $197. And on the top of that is the last one, which one is done for you services, for the people who don't have enough time but they want to get this service done and don't want to have spend time in building it, have somebody else build it, for example us to build it. So as I providing more value to these people, the price of the thing is going up. By now you should have a better understanding of the concept behind value ladder, what is value ladder, and how important it is to use it in your business so your business can become more profitable. There is a book.com, if you haven't heard about this. There's a book that talks you specifically about value ladders and gives you example of all the different industries, how they're using value ladders. Now, if you're interested in this book, it is free, but you do have to pay for shipping. I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. If you're within US, it's $9.95, and if you're outside, it's I think close to $19.95, close to $20. But this book is this is a new book, which is a hardcover, and it's republished by Russell Brunson, and which he has added a lot more pages to the one that he did it, the first version is. So highly recommend it if you want to know more about the concept about value ladder. Not even that, this also talks about sales funnel, marketing on online business. I recommended it. I read it a couple of times, and every time I read it, I pick up something new. So thank you for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up to this video, and make a comment and let us know if you like this video or not, and what other videos would you like it. I'll see you for the next video. Bye.